He could support us with chemicals, he could support us with seedlings, he could support us with training, he could even support us with cash. It goes a long way to assist people. The very beautiful part of this support is that before any beneficiary could benefit from this project, all farmers, chairmen from the different local government, the 3 local governments in Badagry were equally involved in decision taking of the distribution of the fertilizers. The farmers' chairmen were carried along in the process, in the screening and the distribution. That's why all the farmers' chairmen were here today, in which I am one of them.
Àǹfààní yẹn pọ̀ àǹtí mi, àǹfààní yẹn pọ̀ gan torí tá a bá gbìn gbàdo yẹn, tá a bá rí fertilizer fún gbàdo yẹn máa ń dìde. Tí mo ṣe kọjá tó ń fún àgbàdo yẹn sí inú tèmi náà tí má dé òkò yẹn lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Inú mi máa ń dùn mọ́ra ẹ̀ máa ń fi àwọn tó fún wa, àwọn ọ̀gá wa tó ń fún wa ní irú nǹkan ẹ̀ mọ́ máa ń.
Yes, I want to commend the effort of MHR Sesi Whingan because something like this has never happened in Badagry before.
Àwọn tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ kò dára rárá ni. Mọ́ ilé ìpẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ yìí táwọn tó ń ṣe lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí sí tó máa jẹ́ ká máa gbẹ̀ jẹ́ nígbà at least àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti kú tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n á lè jí wọn.
Àǹfààní tó mú wá sílé wá fún wa so gẹ́gẹ́ bí fertilizer tó ní òun fẹ́ fi ran àwọn àgbẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ so ó jẹ́ kí inú wa dùn because fertilizer sì àmọ́ iye nǹkan tó kù sí.
People that are collecting the fertilizer here today are real farmers that need this fertilizer just to enhance their productivity and make sure they have.
Honorable Sesi Whingan, gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ pátápátá ló ṣe é fún.